Hello, it's Tony Marcello again for the second half of my lab, getting ready to go through and do my best in identifying everything. So I'm going to turn it around. Obviously, I'm by myself, no assistant. I'm going to turn the camera around and point out the components. Again, here in my workstation. So we're going to start with the cerebrum. We did the sulcus. And the gyrus, and obviously we cut through the longitudinal cerebral fissure. Midbrain is located, this is a little difficult, inside here, and the superior colliculus is on top and the inferior colliculus is on the bottom. The cerebral pedicle is this entire area right in here. The pons, is located down in this region. The medulla oblongata is located through here. The cerebellum, the vermis of the cerebellum on top here. It's weird looking through the camera at me using the scalpel. The lateral hemispheres, you can see the lateral hemispheres if I can just somehow position this. Running laterally across here. Now I wasn't sure if these were the lateral hemispheres or if we were looking for simply the hemispheres on either side of the cerebellum with the right and left. There's something I was a little bit confused about. I probably overthought a little bit too much. The meninges, the dura mater has been removed, although you can see some of it on the bottom here. The pia mater is the membrane that was in here connecting the two hemispheres. The arachnoid is the thin layer that surrounds the outer layer of the brain. There's some that I exposed. I forget. Oh, I think I made the cut right here. The pituitary gland is located right here. The cranial nerves, the olfactory, is located right here. The olfactory nerve runs back down through here. This is considered the olfactory bulb. Nerve coming back and the olfactory nerve. The optic nerve is right here. The optic chiasm is located right here, where I've actually cut through it. The optic tract is located behind the chiasm, coming back. If there was one over here, it'd be going this way, but it's going backwards. So it's nerve, chiasm, optic tract. The ocumotor is located right in here. the trochlear was located. These are the ones I get confused. Bear with me here. I'll have to come back. I'll have to come back to those. They're escaping me right now. I knew where they were. I had them located, but I cannot. Oh, I want to say. I'll have to come back to them. The mid-sagittal section, the corpus callosum is located right in here. The thalamus, this one's better. The thalamus is this round area of tissue right here. The hypothalamus is right down below it in this area. The lateral ventricle is the area inside here, and the septum pellucidum is this thin membrane that I just separated. The crinoid plexus is the dark matter inside here, or the dark matter inside. The third ventricle is this ventricle right in here. The cerebral aqueduct is this aqueduct that runs down through here to the fourth ventricle, which runs up into the cerebellum. Runs up through here. The arborvitae are these lines coming up through. They look like a tree or veins. And the spinal cord, you can see the white matter and the gray matter of the spinal cord, and the dorsal roots are coming in from the top, and the ventral are on the bottom. Going back to, oh, this is going to drive me nuts. The nerves of the trochlear, the trigeminal, and the abducens. You know what the problem was? I located these before I did my sagittal cut, and now nothing, it does not look the same to me. So I'm just going to have to take those on the chin for right now. I will find it and correct it and make sure I identify them. But I hope this is good. Thank you and have a good day.